Hello everyone. Today I will explain you how to divide two numbers in Python by user input. Let's start. Click on File menu, click on New. First we will take user input, then we will perform the operation. Num equals to input So here I have given a message to enter the first number. But in Python, if you are using input method, then you will get the input by user, but it is in form of string. But I want the input is in form of integer, the form of number. For that, I will convert this statement into int. Then it will take the first number input. Again, I will copy this statement to take the second number input because I want to calculate the division. So I need two variables. One is num1 and second one is num2. Now in the divide, for divide I am taking div and the operator is num1 slash num2. Here you will get fractional division. In another programming language, we usually get only the integer result, but here you will get both the whole part as well as your fractional part, means you will get the result in the decimal. Okay, so here I'm printing this div. Now I will save this file. Div.py and pyw is the extension of Python files. Now I'm executing this code like 57 and the second number one is 5. Here you can see when we have copied the message, we have not added the message description. So it's showing first number. You will see you will get the result in decimal format. It's 11.2. In other programming languages, we usually get the result is 11. But in Python, you will get the result with a fraction. Okay, now I'm editing that message. And again I'm running code. Whenever you do some changes, you have to save the file. 45 divided by 4. So it's 11.25 is the correct. If I want to give the message over here, so I will give division equals to and comma. In Python, we use comma to concatenate. Now I will run, saving. 67 divided by 2, it's 33.5. So I hope this concept is clear to you. Thank you so much.